Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the control settings on the Schedule 1 PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Schedule 1 game on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to change your control settings, then click on the settings button. From here you can now navigate into the controls menu, and now you will see various different options that you can change. Now in order to change any button, you can just click on the key that has already been assigned. And once you are prompted to press your desired key, you can press your desired new button. You can customize all of the controls based on your desire, and you may also change your sensitivity as well as the inversion of axis settings. Once you are done, you can just go back and your changes will be saved. You can now continue to play with your customized settings, and if at any point you wish to switch it back, you can go back into the settings and then change it at any point of time. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Schedule 1 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.